Hello beautiful people, it is me Caroline coming to you from MC Beaters, and I am going to just be moving aside everything because these purse charms have been spoken for, so I'm just going to move them over to the side, hoping we have enough light. Okay, so I have a huge Aliexpress haul, so let me dive in. I don't know how much of battery life I have, so I'm going to begin with, I got this pin of a bird, and it looks like a little swallow, but I love it. And I don't know if I was going to use it for the bottom of a purse charm or if I was just going to wear it on a scarf. So, I don't know, depending on if the mood strikes me. I also got these white and pearl type beads from a seller who I don't recall, but I will have it all linked below. I got 2 whites, you can see, and I think that was it. Oh, I also purchased a kind of like a brown and gold. I'm not going to take this stuff out because it takes forever for me to put it back in, but I also purchased, because I am big into making my Mickey Mouse charms, and we are going to Disney, well, Universal soon, so, well, guess what? I'm not going to take it out, but this is how they look, and the back of that one looks like that. So I'm just going to stick a little clear bail on it, and we are good to go. Now these these took forever. I'm making these type of like purse charms that have a lot of these steampunk type of keys on them. So I got a whole bunch of these to create those. I also got these really cute mint pearl beads. These are acrylic, and these are a little bit bigger. I think these are 4 and these are 8 millimeter. I love these. I keep purchasing these. These are repurchase. These are the kind of like pearlesque type iridescent 4 millimeter beads. These are some pretty little charms, and these were just really inexpensive. These are, I believe, 67 cents, free shipping. And these are good for your summer projects. So, or Valentine's Day. I got these because I want to make more like gypsy type, boho type jewelry and purse charms, so I thought this would. It's a faux turquoise, dark turquoise kind of color. These came out, so I ended up putting them in a plastic bag, but these are really from the same seller. Oh, okay, I'll empty them all out, but the same seller that I purchased the white. The white beads from, and I like them because they're all different shapes, sizes, and patterns. I also purchased some more of these head pins, or whatever you want to call them. These I like because they have the loops and I can attach charms to them. I got these. These are actually bows. Would be great if I had my glasses on. Let me take a couple out, or most of them. Look how pretty. They are so iridescent. And I like these because you can put the head pin right through the middle. Really nice for all your fun pastel projects, bead jangles, whatever you want to do with those. Then I also purchased these. really cute. Kind of tiny, but these have little flowers. Really super pretty. Like those. And I believe I got them in blue too. So these are the same in blue. For all your spring and summer or whatever type of projects you want to have. And purple, which is my favorite color. I obviously was really loving these, so got them in all the colors. Oops. Okay. Then I got these. These are like candy flatback cabochons, and if I could figure out how these open or not. I just have to feel for the seam. Oops, sorry guys. It's late. I'm tired. It's a Saturday night and I've been totally, and you know what? I think I'm going to add a thing to show you an extension of how I have been decorating my house. I'm going to hold on to those for a minute because I don't think that, I can't get them open yet. Then I got these 4mm pearl type beads. And I got these really pretty, sorry, the camera's just like going everywhere, charms for my Christmas projects. Christmas earrings, Christmas necklaces, Christmas bracelets, Christmas purse charms, Christmas bead dangles, or whatever. These are from, again, the same seller. That keep holding up the same one, but these are like, I don't know if you can see it, brown. Same seller, and these have like a more of a topaz colored light brown beads, all acrylic, more pink. So these and these I think are kind of the same. So you know what, I'm going to just put them here because I put all my beads away. Then I got two of these. They have like a marble type of color. They are a coffee green kind of color. And then I got these. These are more pearl colored, I would say, or pinkish. I got two of these. Same seller again. Like, I love the seller because you can get all of these for like 60 cents. And you can make really nice projects with them. So I got two of those. 3 of those. I have 3. I also purchased another one of these pins. Did I seriously get 3? Okay. I seriously got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one huge selection. Then I got another one of these in white. I use so much of these, I can't begin to tell you guys. Then to go with my steampunk purse charm that I'm planning on making, I got all of these. Like, so nice. Look at that sun. I mean, there is so much, and they're all different. There's like no two the same. So this is going to definitely be part of that one. Put that aside. And I got more of these darker brown that go with the same seller as these. Another one of these blue. More head pins, but these I need in silver because I ran out of all my silver head pins. These charms are balloon charms, and it's like a set of balloons. Remember Up? Reminds me of Up. So pretty. Really, really pretty. Really nice. Then I got this pin just for me because I do want to wear it around Christmas. It's of a snowman on a broom, like the Befana in Italy. They call it the La Befana, and it's a witch Santa, female Santa that goes around, I think around January 6th, I think. Here is a little tiny owl, rhinestone owl. Some more of these clear beads. I love because they have like ridges. Really, really nice. Oh, I love these. These are the Pinecone. These are great for fall or even like Christmas. Pinecone charms. You can do so much with these. Really. Okay. Then I also got these doves, and everyone knows how much I love doves. And these are also perfect for Christmas embellishments and jewelry and Christmas ornaments or Christmas dangles. Really, really pretty. And these charms were not expensive at all. Again, like 99 cents, maybe free shipping. I like to pick those. These are these more doves? Oh, these are pink doves. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these are doves also, but these are pink. Sorry, my garage door is opening. Some bead caps, some gold bead caps. And some, these are, oh God, these are so cute. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see these, but these are like so super cute. These are houses and like little tiny cottages. Like they are just so cozy. You just want to like make yourself small and move into them. So adorable. I can't wait to play with these. Cannot wait. And then the last purchase. Oh wait, I have more of these little house charms. Here are some more, some more houses. Little, really, really cute charms. Love these. I think that's it. Yep, that is it. This is everything I got for my Aliexpress haul. It was ginormous, but I enjoy purchasing it all, and I can't wait to play and create. And I hope everyone has a glorious and wonderful Saturday evening. Bye, guys.